all farmers are non-believers. Is that true? Watch the full video and you will discover something that you have never heard about. If you read the verse in Quran that says يُعْجِبُ الزُّرَّاعَ لِيَغِيظَ بِهِمُ الْكُفَّارِ, you know that kuffar here means farmers, al-fallahun. The question is, why are they called kuffar here? Look at the word kafir, which is the single form of kuffar, and try to figure out whether there is a phonological similarity between the word kafir and the word kafir. And the question now is there even a semiological similarity between the two words, kafir and kafir, concerning the meaning? The answer is yes. What does the farmer cover? Yes, he covers the seeds under the soil. And what does the non-believer or kafir of Aqidah cover? In Muslims' creed, they believe that every single person was born with an innate faith. If he becomes a non-believer, then he covers his faith, like the farmer covers the seeds under the soil. Right? I hope that the video was as much beneficial for you, and see you later.